Thanks, Jermaine. And as we told you earlier, the government has broken its silence on the switch of allegiance by 4 Jamaican athletes to Turkey, promising further consultation to discuss a new framework for the retention of athletes.
Despite stakeholders and the opposition calling for the reconvening of a National Sports Council to address any number of topical issues affecting the local sporting landscape, including the most recent switch of allegiance by 4 field event athletes, the government is looking to take a different approach. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness on Monday night asked the Sports Minister Olivia Grange to lead further consultation on the matter. And in her sectoral presentation in Parliament on Tuesday, the minister responded with plans that include various stakeholders.
We will look at how we can expand partnerships with the private sector to provide financial incentives and sponsorship opportunities, enhancing training and recovery infrastructure to meet international standards, offering career transition services for athletes beyond competition, long-term career planning and transition services.
The minister further adds,
expanded financial and health coverage discussions in collaboration with the private sector. Further incentivize national representation packages, particularly for high-performance athletes, and strengthen partnerships with sporting federations to ensure holistic athlete development from start to finish.
But she says her hands are tied in taking certain actions even while wishing the athletes well.
However, please note that government cannot interfere, and I would like everybody to understand this. Government cannot interfere with the operations of these national sporting federations as they are governed by their international bodies. And it is important that we all understand that. I have no control over what the federations do, although we provide them with monthly subventions.
Meanwhile, Dr. Holness, speaking at an event for multiple Olympic and World Championship medalist Shelley Fraser-Price, also weighed in on the matter.
And some say it is for financial incentives. This development, understandably, has stirred concern and emotions across our country. Our athletes do not just wear the black, green, and gold, they carry our hopes. They ignite our passions. They form a prominent part of our collective identity. And so when they choose to compete under a different flag, it feels personal.
The Prime Minister went further.
But I also ask that we approach this matter with compassion and thoughtfulness. The career of a professional athlete is short and often financially precarious. Athletes, like all of us, must make decisions not only for themselves, but for their families and their future. And that is the truth that should be understood.
Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Denise. Let's go into another break then. We'll be back with more in the next segment on Primetime Sports Tuesday.